Hey, Lynette here, and these are some future Sephora Play box products that are coming to the Sephora Play boxes. These were sent to me by Sephora, so you guys get to check out those spoilers if you haven't seen them yet. And again, if you guys dig videos like spoilers or unboxings, definitely like and subscribe, and we will have a full list in the description box below with the products that are coming to Sephora Play. So let's get into those spoilers. Okay guys, so what did you guys think about these future spoilers coming to Sephora Play? Definitely let me know in the comments section below. And again, if you love spoilers like I do, definitely like and subscribe so as soon as I get them, you guys get them too. So have a good day, guys.